Hi, I'm Mike from tourismZA. This is a short, easy to follow video that will show you how to appoint a Google profile manager. Appointing someone like tourismZA will help you manage your profile. It makes a huge difference in assuring that your business shows up properly on Google Maps, that it looks professional, and that you get the most from your profile. Once your profile is sorted, it'll be added to tourismZA's travel maps, which are explored by thousands of people on a monthly basis. Right, let's jump straight into it. I'll talk you through the process one step at a time. Feel free to hit the pause between steps. Step one, head over to Google Maps. You can use your browser or your phone or whatever's easiest for you. Step two, type in your business name and you should see it pop up, just like we've shown here with Safari Ostrich Farm. Safari Ostrich Farm is one of the profiles we manage. With over 2,000 reviews and more than 60,000 views, they're a great example of the visibility that comes from having a well-managed profile. You can hit the pause for a second or two, catch up, make sure you're on the same page, refer it back to the screen in front of you. Right, a quick heads up. If your business isn't listed yet on Google or hasn't been claimed by you, don't stress. You'll see an option to claim it. If you need help with this part, just send a quick email to google@tourismza.co.za and we'll be in touch and help you through it. Once your business shows up on Google Maps, we're ready for step three. Just click on your business name to open it up full in the profile panel. You see a button that says Manage Your Business Profile. Follow the arrow. Go ahead, click that. This opens the control panel, which gives you access to everything from your business info, photos, reviews, and a whole lot more. You should actually spend a little bit of time on this page. It gives you a very good idea of what is possible with your Google profile. Now that you're in the profile panel, we're on to step number 4. Follow the arrow, look for the three vertical dots. When you find them, click on the 3 dots and it'll open a drop-down menu. The list has all the different aspects that you can tend to for this section. For now, all we are interested is in the business profile settings. So click on Business Profile Settings. This is where you'll find the tools to manage permissions and key business details. It's also the place where you'll add a manager, which we'll get to next. So go ahead, click through Business Profile Settings. Then when you're ready to hit play, we'll carry on. It's pretty easy, yeah? And almost done. This is where we give access, or where you give me access. Step 5, in the settings panel, click on People and Access. Once you've done that, you'll see options that say add, edit, or remove people's access. Go ahead, click on that. Step 7, click Add Person, and in the email box, type google@tourismza.co.za. This will get the email through to the right place. Under Access, make sure that the role is set to manager, not owner. This is really important. If you set me as the owner, effectively I take control of the profile and I can chuck you off it. It's really, really important. So don't set me as the owner, set me as the manager. Then click Invite and that's it. Done, dusted, sorted. But yeah, just hang in for 1 or 2 more notes. Before we get on to the final slide, remember you can remove us at any time and you can either take us off or you can replace and put another manager in there to assist you. From here, we will use this access to optimize your listing and to get you onto a few of our tourismZA maps. From here, we will receive your invitation, we'll accept it, and then we'll get started on the work that we need to do for you. Within a few days, you should start seeing some significant improvements in your Google presence. And let us know what you think, and remember, this is a team effort. It's not us doing everything for you. We're just here to help manage, and you can definitely add a lot. If you need any help along the way, please give me a shout. Also, we'll make sure that your business gets listed onto a tourismZA map, a national, regional, local map, like the one that you see here for Oudtshoorn. Just scan the QR code and it'll show you the map that we're creating for Oudtshoorn tourism. On that note, we won't add you to any maps without getting permissions and stuff from you first. And just in terms of those three QR codes, the one on the left shows the regional map that we're busy creating for Oudtshoorn tourism and surrounding areas. The middle one is quite an important one for you to have a good look at. It's a QR code that we created for Safari Ostrich Farm to help them drive their review campaign. And as I said, their reviews are through the roof. They've had over 2,000 reviews. They're getting about 6,000 views on a 6-monthly cycle. So it really, really works well. And if you're getting that much attention on your Google profile, it's definitely going to translate to business one way or the other. And then on the right-hand side, that other QR, that's a map that we're busy creating for a local map for a short hike, sort of 20 k's between Gole, which you will probably know as Port Grosvenor, through to Mboiki, which we know as Tlhotuni. It's just an interesting one. That one there we created just as a fun project. It's part of our CSI. And it's getting about 2,500, 3,000 views a month, which is quite fantastic. And they're getting regular bookings. And then the last point, something really need to look at. It's not as difficult as people think it is, and it shouldn't be as expensive as everybody else is charging you. Think about creating a 360 virtual tour of your property directly onto Google Maps. It really works. This one that you see here is one of a series that we're creating for the homestays along the Wild Coast. Click on it, have a look at it directly on Google Maps. If you look at the base of each image, you'll see my contact details. I help them with their booking and stuff, so that's why I put my contact details there. But when we do work for you, it can have your contact details. Think about this just for a minute. If we mark a road for you, as we've done here for the homestay, we put down a blue dot every 5 meters. We then stitch them together to create that Google Street View blue line. At the base of every single image, we can put your contact details. It's like advertising on Google free of charge. But anyway, that's it. Hope you come right. If you don't, give me a shout and I'll take it from there.